Safely Cooking Salmon, a Temperature Guide.
Hello, and welcome. Today, we're discussing a crucial topic for anyone who enjoys preparing salmon at home or in a professional kitchen: the safe internal temperature for cooked salmon. Knowing this number is vital for ensuring your fish is both delicious and safe to eat.
Why is safe internal temperature important?
Understanding and adhering to the safe internal temperature is crucial to avoid foodborne illnesses. Raw and undercooked salmon can harbor bacteria, viruses, and parasites that can cause illness in humans. Cooking salmon to the recommended internal temperature ensures these harmful elements are effectively killed, making the fish safe to eat.
What is the safe internal temperature for cooked salmon?
The U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, recommends cooking most fish to an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 62.8 degrees Celsius. This temperature ensures any potential harmful microorganisms are killed. To measure this, insert a food thermometer into the thickest part of the salmon fillet without touching the bone.
How to properly measure the temperature?
To correctly measure the internal temperature of salmon, you should use a digital food thermometer. Insert the thermometer probe into the thickest part of the salmon fillet, being careful not to touch any bones, as this can give an inaccurate reading. You should aim to get the thermometer probe right into the center of the fillet for the most accurate temperature reading. In conclusion, cooking your salmon to the recommended internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit, or 62.8 degrees Celsius, is key for both flavor and safety. Use a food thermometer correctly for the most accurate reading, ensuring you're aiming for the center of the fillet. With these tips, you'll be on your way to serving delicious and safe salmon dishes. Thank you for watching, and happy cooking!